Look what just landed at our warehouse. It's the all-new pop display cases of PIERCEMED Black Edition Piercing Aftercare Spray. No aerosols, no harsh chemicals, just a 0.9% isotonic saline that mirrors the body's natural salinity. Perfect for fresh or sensitive piercings. Each 80 ml bottle is travel-friendly, sterile, and reliable. A perfect fit for clients who need clean care on the go. Each case now comes with 2 countertop-ready displays, pre-filled with 20 individually packaged bottles, ready to stock, sell, or send straight to your studio's front counter. Sleek, compact, eye-catching, these displays were designed to draw attention and make your aftercare upsell effortless. PIERCEMED Black Edition is more than just another saline. It's a next-gen aftercare solution powered by bag-on-valve technology, delivering a pure, pressurized saline mist at any angle, even upside down. Whether you're restocking or upgrading your aftercare station, this new pop setup is the ultimate combo of style and function. Get yours now at metalmafia.com.